popping balloons at the end of the video. Hola, hola! It has been so long since we posted a video. We have been having troubles with YouTube, copyrighting almost every single video that we post. But I have had so many comments in all their old videos asking for new ones. So here is a little quick short video. We did this event a couple of weeks ago. We had to make 25 centerpieces. That was me at the beginning making them. It took me like 5 days to make them. I was making them little by little because it was like a lot of little details in it. Here it is, my daughter placing them on each table. Again, there were 25 little ones and 2 big ones that they were gonna raffle at the end of this company party. I had so much fun, and wait to the end, we're gonna have the popping balloons to this event, the backdrop and the entrance arch. Here it is, my husband and I making the balloons for the backdrop. I didn't record all of the process because I didn't have no more space in my phone. But here it is, the end. This is how it looks like. And again, at the end, we're going to be popping all of these, and I recorded just for y'all. This place was so big and so beautiful. This is a close-up. I didn't record that much of the details on each centerpiece, but it was like a lot of details. Here it is, the 2 big ones that I made that they were gonna raffle at the end. They were beautiful to place on the front of your door. And here is the entrance arch. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna leave you with the popping balloons. I hope you enjoy, and see you in the next one. Bye! Wait for the end for the popping balloons.
After 2 weeks of work.
Put it this way, Natalie. Put the garland this way so you can have all the balloons in here. Put it this way, John. Everything up here. There, baby.
Twist it over here.